Rich Rebuilds is a YouTuber who made a name for himself by buying a flooded Tesla and rebuilding it from the ground up. I first saw Rich on the Joe Rogan podcast and thought it was pretty freaking cool. And then, a little while back, I clicked on Simone Yetch's Truckla Tesla video and saw Rich and remembered the podcast. I went and clicked on Rich's YouTube and blindly subscribed. Later I watched the beginning of his newest release, not realizing it was filler week of content, and was pretty confused. But then his content was mixed in my algorithm, and after that I was watching, clicking on his content, and totally having a good time. I could care less about the tinkering of a car, an electric or not, but it's cool to see the passion and craftsman work from the point of view from the man himself. One of his newest toys is a Sherpa, and it is dope. It's a Russian all-terrain vehicle, and frick, it can go on water and stuff. And its range is like 1,000 miles. Its engineering is meant to be accessible and fixable in the middle of nowhere. A little tiny toolkit like a bicycle. And they sell for about $120,000. But I really want one. Who wouldn't? Rich right now is building a Tesla with a V8 gasoline engine. And damn, I'll be continuing to watch it now. I'm hooked. This GP paints you, and for the next installment, I'll be producing a twist. I'll be painting me. I've been losing subscribers as I've been taking time to focus on my passion of art. My content has never been better, and I love painting. Please share and sub, and like and subscribe, and send me nudes, and I'll see you next time.